So what's the Moroccan Red workshop then? What do you actually do in these workshops? Well, I hope your curiosity gets the better of you and you come and find out for yourself. And we'll be leading you through a series of exercises which are fun, which are simple, which will get your creativity flowing and get your ideas flowing. Fired and inspired is how we want everyone to end up on Saturday. It is live from Sefrou in Morocco. It lasts for 90 minutes. There'll be a group of us, all sorts of backgrounds, all sorts of interests. We'll be putting our rose-tinted glasses on. It's going to be quite visual, but you don't need any special skills to join in. We'll be looking at some Moroccan art, some Moroccan crafts. We'll be exploring. I don't want to give it all away. So follow the link, book on PayPal, and come along and join us. It'll be a real adventure.